Hello everyone, today I am going to review the Nexxspeed CNC nozzle and BBU combo. Out of the box, it comes pre-lubed, so you don't have to really lube it up, even though I recommend you put some more on there because it just doesn't hurt. It comes with some extra O-rings and this little tab that I'm not sure what for, but the fitting seems to be perfect. No really, issues there. So with that, we're gonna take it to the field and test it out.
Nexxspeed mag release, Nexxspeed trigger, because Nexxspeed is the best. Nice and lubed up. Oh, that feels so nice. Look at that nozzle, almost no resistance.
That's crazy.
Shout out to Nexxspeed, man. Building my new Kappa. Next parts, Nexxspeed slide stop, Nexxspeed thumb safety. Trying to get maybe a Nexxspeed guide rod. Kind of build it out.
We're gonna kind of stress test both of these nozzle and blowback units to see how well the CNC nozzle is.
I'm really excited for this. No more replacement nozzles because it's getting too bent.
Right. At the price of 2 nozzle, hopefully you don't have to ever replace it again.
Exactly. You get even better quality than before. It's still that lightweight, nice stuff you're going for. That's just
How's it holding up?
In conclusion, after testing about 10,000 rounds, I can definitely recommend this product. If you're looking for a high-quality CNC nozzle or blowback unit, this is definitely the way to go. And I would actually recommend you buy them in a pair like this and not individually, unless you need the one or the other. But buying it in a pair like this is pretty much going to guarantee, your perfect fitment. It's going to guarantee, that it's going to work properly. And with that, thank you for watching.